Good morning, dear children. How are you all? I hope you all are safe and keeping yourself fit and healthy, and you have to do so that and to take care of yourself. Okay, now I hope you all have utilized your holidays in a better way. You have completed your copy notes, whatever the teachers have given you, and the summer vacation holiday also. So, if not, so students kindly complete your all previous copy notes. Okay. Now, let us start. I hope you are ready with your maths book. Now, let us start our today's class. In today's class, we are going to start a new chapter. As in our previous classes, we have completed till chapter 3. Okay, so now we are going to start new chapter, that is chapter 4, addition. Okay, so kindly open page number 20 and pay attention while I am reading it. Okay, now let us start with the properties of additions. As you can see, in these boxes, in rectangle boxes with red ink, some of the properties are there. So you have to go through those properties and you have to keep them in your mind. Okay, so let us read the first one. Addition. As you all know, addition means adding any two numbers. Okay, and the answer which we get is called sum. Now, the sum of numbers in any order is the same. If you are going to add the numbers in different ways, as you can see in the example, these numbers are arranged in three different orders, but the answer is same, 3678. As you can see, these numbers are arranged in three different orders, but the answer is same. So the first property is that the sum of numbers in any order is the same. If you are arranging number in any order, the answer will be always same. I will explain you with one more example. As suppose the number is 5, 5 and 4. Okay. Now if you are arranging this number 5, 5, 4. Now when you will add these three numbers, the answer you will get 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 4, 11, 12, 13, 14. So the answer is 14. Now if you will arrange this number in some different order, in some other order, let's do that. 4, 5, 5. Now 5 plus 5, 10. Again 10 plus 4, it's 14. Let's do in one more way. 5, 4, 5. Again 5 plus 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Plus 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. As you can see, the answer is always same. So, if the number is arranged in different order or in any order, the answer will be always same. Now, let's move to next property, that is number plus 0 equal to same number. Whenever you are adding 0 to any number, as you can see in the example, 9 plus 0, 9, 65 plus 0, 65. So, whether it is of 1 digit, 2 digit, 3 digit or 4 digit, if you are adding 0 to any number, the answer will be always the same number. Next is 0 plus number, same number. Same thing, if you are adding 0 to any number, the answer will be the same number. Okay? As we have seen here also, if you are adding 0 to any number or number to 0, the answer will be always the same number. Whether it is of 1 digit, 2 digit, 3 digit or 4 digit. Okay? So, these two properties you have to always keep in mind. Okay, students. Now let us move to our exercise, that is exercise 4a. In this it's given simple addition. Okay, so let's do the first one. It's there. As you can see here, place values are also given there. How many digits are there, students? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 digits are there. That means 5 place values. So always start from right side and with ones. So ones, tens, 100, 1000 and 10,000. So let us do exercise 4a. Let us do the first one. 1000, 15,433 plus 32,564. Okay, now you have to add this number. Students, always move from big number to small number. It will make your addition more fast and more easy. So 4 plus 3. You can either take on your finger or you can draw lines also. So 4 plus 3, as this is 1, 2, 3, 4, put the addition sign and 3 1, 2, 3. Now all together add these lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the answer is 7. 6 plus 3, again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Put the plus sign, then 3, 1, 2, 3. Now add this all lines together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the answer is 9. So in this way, either you can do with drawing the lines, or you can count on your fingers also. Now next is 4 plus 5. So as I told, move from big number to small number. Add 4 to 5. So with 5, do the forward counting. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the answer here is 9. 5 plus 2, 5, 6, 7. The answer is 7. 1 plus 3, you can go from 3 to 1 and add 1 to 3. So 3 plus 1, it's 4. So this is your answer. Okay. Let's do one more. 4,65,271 plus 2,34,506. Okay, now here also you have to add the given numbers. How many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 digits are there. That means how many place values? 6 place values. 1, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakh. Okay, this place values we have studied in our previous classes. Okay, now add the numbers. 6 plus 1, it's 7. 7 plus 0, as we have studied in our addition property, if you are adding 0 to any number or number to 0, the answer is always the same number. Now 2 plus 5, just add 5 and do the forward counting and add 2, 5, 6, 7. 5 plus 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 6 plus 3, 6, 7, 8, 9. 4 plus 2, again 4 is the big number, so start from 4 and do the forward counting and go and add 2. 4, 5, 6. So here comes the answer. So in this way you will get the answer. It's a simple addition. Okay. Now here second exercise is the fill in the blanks. As you can see here, two numbers are given there, and on the other side one complete number is there and the other number is missing. That means that number will come in the blank. Okay. Here also two numbers are here that side, but on the other side one number is missing. That means the number will be in the blank. Okay. So in this way you have to fill in the blanks. Now here's 64,259 plus blank equal to 64,259. When we are getting the same number as answer, when the number is added with 0 or 0 is added to the number, in that condition only we are getting the same number as the answer. That means here 0 will come. Okay. So in this way fill in the blanks we have to do. Now here arrange in columns and add. Now here numbers are given there. You have to arrange them in columns and then you have to do the addition. Okay. So let's do the first one. Let's take B. Okay, let's take B. It's given there 2, 2, 2. Okay, 222. Now 50,624. Okay, 4,25,132. So in this way you have to arrange the given numbers in column. Okay, now after arranging them in column you have to put the addition sign and add those numbers. Okay, so let's start. 4 plus 2, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8. 2 plus 2, it's 4. 4 plus 3, 5, 6, 7. So 7. 6 plus 2, 7, 8 plus 1, 9. 0 plus 5, it's 5. 5 plus 2, 7 and 4. So this is the answer. In this way you have to arrange the given numbers in column and then put the addition sign and get the answer. Okay. Let's do the A. It's 34,217. Okay. To make it more easy, when you have written the first number, to get it more easy, you can start the next number from the backward side. So it will be arranged in a proper way. As you can see here, 5681. As it is here, 4 digits are here and here 5 digits are there. That means here 5 place values and here 4 place values. So let's start from ones. 1, 8, 6 and 5. Okay. Now put the addition sign and add the numbers. 7 plus 1, it's 8. 8 plus 1, it's 9. 6 plus 2, 7, 8. 5 plus 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 3. So in this way you have to arrange the numbers and add. Okay. Now next is here number names are given there. You have to find out the figure, arrange them in column and then do the addition. Okay. So let's do the first one. 2310. So 2310. 1000, that means how many digits will be there? Ones, tens, 100, 1000. 4 digits should be there. So 2310. Here comes 4 digit. Ones, tens, 100 and 1000. Now next is 24,402. 24,402. That means 24,000 means 10,000 is coming. That means how many digits should be there? 5 digits should be there. So 24,402. 402. Okay. Then 245. 245. 145. That means only 3 digits should be there. So 245. Now this we have taken out the figure of the given number names. Now put the addition sign and add the numbers. 5 plus 2, 5, 6, 7. Now 7 plus 0, the answer will be the same number. 4 plus 0, 4 plus 1, 5. 4 plus 3, 5, 5, 6, 7 plus 2, 8, 9. 4 plus 2, 6 and 2. So this is the number you will get after arranging the given number names in a column. You will get the answer 26,957. Okay, so in this way you have to arrange them and find out the answer or get the answer. Let's do this next one also. It's 4,15,300. Now 4 lakh. That means students, how many digits should be there? 6 digit. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. That means how many digits should be there? 6 digits should be there. So 4,15,300. Okay, 300. Next is 3,72,450. Okay, 1,10,125. Okay, so this is the number we got from the given number names. Now put the addition sign and add all those numbers. So here it's 0 plus 0, 0 plus 5, 5, 0 plus 5, 5, 5 plus 2, 6, 7, 3 plus 4 or 4 plus 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 plus 1, 8, 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 1, 8, 8 plus 1, 9, 4 plus 3, 5, 6, 7 plus 1, 8. Okay. So this is the number you will get after adding the given number names. Okay. So in this way, students, you have to do those numbers. Here also simple addition is given there. Now here comes exercise 7. Okay. Now in exercise 7, what's given there? Add 8, 12, 230 and 1475 in 3 different orders to get the same sum. Okay. Now the number is given there: 8, 12, 230, 1475. Now what we have to do? We have to arrange these numbers in 3 different orders. In 3 different orders we have to arrange. And let's see what the answer we are getting, as we will get the same answer, same sum. So let's start with the same: 8, 12, 230, 1475. Okay. Now 8 plus 2, 8, 9, 10. 10 plus 0, 0, 10 plus 5, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, so the answer is 15. 1 will be the carryover. Now 7 plus 3, it's 10. 10 plus 1, 11. 11 plus 1, 12. 2. Again carry over 1. 4 plus 2, 4. 5, 6 plus 1, 7 and 1. So this is the answer we got after arranging the numbers. Now let's arrange this number in some other order. Okay. So 1475, 230, 12 and 8. Now let's add 5 plus 2, 5 plus 0, 5. 5 plus 2, 6, 7. 7 plus 8, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 5 here, 1 carry over. 7 plus 3, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 2 here, again 1 carry over. 4 plus 2, 4, 5, 6 plus 1, 7 and 1 as it is. Okay, so this is in the second order. Now let's arrange it in third or in some other order. Okay, so 1475 plus 12, 8, 230. Okay, now add 8 plus 2, it's 10. 10 plus 5, 15. 1 carry over. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 3, 10, 11, 12. So 2 here, 1 carry over. 4 plus 2, 4, 5, 6 plus 1, 7 and 1. As you can see, the answer is same. When we have arranged the given numbers in 3 different orders, the answer every time we got the same. 1725, 1725, 1725. So whenever you are arranging the numbers in any order, the answer is always same. Okay. In the same way, you have to do the next also. Here also simple addition you have to do. Here again you have to arrange them in column and add. Here also you have to do the same thing. Okay students, you have to continue with the same exercise 4b also till exercise 5. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Till 5 you have to do it. Notes I will provide you. Okay, exercise 4b is also the of addition. Let's do one from exercise 4b. Okay, exercise 4b. First A, 73265 plus 15,445. Okay, now here you have to do the carryover. Okay, now 5 plus 5, count on your finger, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The number you are getting is in 2 digit. Okay, now you can't write this both digit here as it is single number, and answer you are getting in 2 digit. So what you will do, the number which is on your right side will be written below ones place, and the number which is on left side will be taken as carryover on the next number or the side number. Okay, so now add those numbers. You have to add this carry number along with the given numbers. Now 6 plus 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 plus 1, 11. Again you are getting 2 digit. Okay, now what you have to do, one number will be written here below and the left side number will be taken as carryover on the side number. Now 4 plus 2, 4, 5, 6 plus 1, 7. Students, always remember that you have to add this carryover number also along with the given numbers. Now 5 plus 3, it's 8, 7 plus 1, 8. So in this way you have to do this. Okay. Let's do one more. 5, 6, 3, 7, 8, 9 plus 2,17,143. Okay, here also you have to do the same thing. You have to add the numbers. 9 plus 3, start or move from big number to small number and do the forward counting and add 3, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now again students, you are getting 2 number as answer, 2 digit as answer, and this 2 digit is not right way to write here. So what we will do, we will take the number which is on right side below the ones place, and the number which is on left side will be taken as carry over on the side number. Okay, now you have to add this carry over number along with the given numbers on tens place. Okay, so 8 plus 4, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 plus 1, 13 and 1 carry over. Again same thing you have to do. You are getting 2 digit has answer, that is 13. So same thing you have to do. The right side number will be written below tens place and the left side number will be taken as carry over on the side number. Okay, now add this carry over number along with the given numbers in hundreds place. 7 plus 1, 8, 8 plus 1, 9. Now 7 plus 3, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again 0 here and 1 will be the carry over. 6 plus 1, 7 plus 1, 8, 5 plus 2, 7. Okay, so students, when you are getting the answer in 2 digits, at that time what you have to do, the number which is on right side will be written below the number, and the number which which is on the left side will be taken as carry over on the side number. Okay, so in this way you have to do the exercises till exercise 5A or 5. Okay, here also you have to arrange them in column and then you have to do the addition. Here number names are given, you have to find out the figure and then you have to arrange them and add. This notes I will provide you. So till 5, exercise 4A complete. Exercise 4A you have to do completely. The copy notes I will provide, and exercise 4B till 5th exercise A, B, C, D, E. Till here you have to do in your copy. Rest we will continue in our next class. Okay students, that's all for today's class. Thank you.